Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session. Children, in the previous class, we tried to understand about the distribution of working population under the four categories like cultivators, agricultural laborers, workers in household industries and others. And today we move on to the next topic called as the change in the population size. How the size of the population changes. What are the factors? As population is not static, it's a dynamic. Daily, every second, new births take place and deaths also take place. So the population size keeps on changing. So the number, distribution and composition of the population are always changing. This is because of the interaction of the three processes. One is birth, second one is death, and third one is migration. Because of these three factors, the population size keeps on changing. Change in the population, change in the size of a population is the difference in the number of inhabitants of a country or a territory during a specific period is called as say let us take as a 10 years is called as a change in the population, and such a change can be expressed in two ways, that as an absolute number or as a percentage change. So we are learning about the change in the population size. So change in the population size. This change in the population size takes place in three ways. One is births, one is deaths, the third one is migration. Why the change in the population takes place? Because the people may migrate from one place to another place during their settlement, and there will be many births that take place for every hour, and there are also deaths that occur. So because of all these factors, the population will not be static and it keeps on changing. Okay. And what is the population size mean? The change in the number of population, for not less than 10 years is called as the change in the population size. And this can be expressed in two ways. One is an absolute number. Okay, how much population got changed, absolute number. And second one is through the percentages. How much percentage change has occurred for the past in the past decade to present decade. So this is how we can read about the population size. So the absolute numbers added in each decade is a magnitude of increase, and it is obtained by simply subtracting the earlier population. For example, let us take 2001 from a later population, that is from 2011. If the result is a positive number, then the population has increased. If it is a negative number, then the population has decreased by that number. For example, population change in absolute number, in order to obtain the absolute number of population change, then you need to take the population at a later date and you need to subtract it by the population of earlier date. Later date with the earlier date. For example, let us imagine 2001 and 2011. What you need to do is you need to subtract from 2011 the 2001. Okay, let us imagine in 2011 the population is 100 and 2001 the population was 80. So from 100 when you get 80, then it is 20. It is a positive number and there is an increase in the population. But sometimes what happened, there will be a negative number, which means the population got decreased. Which means the population got decreased. So population change in a place also can be read or can be understood with the number of births plus number of in-migrants, and when you subtract this one with the number of deaths and number of out-migrants, a positive number means the population has increased by that number. A negative number shows that population has decreased by that number. Assume for a moment that there is no migration at all, and in order to calculate the increase, we examine two rates, that is the birth rate. What is birth rate? Birth rate means the number of live births per every 1000 people living in that area or in the country during that year. Let us imagine 29 live births took place. And death rate means the number of deaths per 1000 living in that area, and in the year 1992 for every 1000 people at that time 10 people died. So during that year, therefore 19 people, if you subtract 29 minus 10, then you will arrive at 19. 19 people for every 1000 was the addition this year during the year. So this number can be expressed even in the percentage also. So that percentage becomes a 1.9 percentage. So hence we say that population growth rate was 1.9 percentage for the year 1992. So let me explain the same thing with the help of how do we find the change in the population? Let us imagine in 2001 the population was 80. In 2011 the population increased to 100. Now in order to identify this increase, what happens? You need to, okay, the change in the population size. What did I tell you? Okay, take the population in the later date, population of later date, subtracted with population of earlier date. What is the later date? 2011. What is the population here? 100. What is the population of earlier date? Okay, what is the earlier date? 2001. How much is the population? 80. So 20. So this 20 is a positive. So the population got increased from 2001 to 2011 by 20 number. This is absolute number. And you can also calculate through the another way. Okay, the change in the population size also occurs in another way. How mean? The population change in a particular place in order to identify in a particular place. Let us imagine only in Warangal. Okay, if that is the case, then number of births, how many births have taken place, plus number of immigrants. कितने लोग बाहर जगह से हमारा वरंगल को आया. ओके, इसमें से नंबर ऑफ डेथ्स प्लस नंबर ऑफ आउट माइग्रेंट्स को निकाल दो. आउट माइग्रेंट्स बोले तो कितने लोग वरंगल से जाके बाहर रह रहे. ओ, let us imagine number of births are for a place. Okay, number of births are let us imagine 29. Okay, and number of immigrants are some 10. So totally it is 30. Number of deaths are 10 and number of out migrants are let us imagine some 5. So total it is 15. It is 30, it is 15. 30 minus 15 is 15. So the population size got increased by 15. This is how the population size of a particular place can be calculated. And I have taken even to understand you the rate of population growth, the population growth rate. How do we calculate the population growth rate? So number of deaths and number of births will be taken into consideration, which we shall further understand in depth in the next class. Once again, I will tell you even that even today. Wait. So this is a migration. You remove it, children. लोग तो इधर से उधर इधर. Okay, they keep on moving. Let us imagine the migrations are taken out. There are 29 births in the year 1992 and 10 deaths are there. So the absolute increase is 19. When you convert it into percentages, it is 1.9 percentage. So this is called as population growth rate. Population growth rate. So the population growth rate for the year 1992 is 1.9 percentage. For every 1000 living males, if 29 people are joining, that is called as a birth rate. For every 1000 population, if 10 people are dead, then it is called as a death rate. So when you subtract from the birth rate the death rate, you have arrived at 19 is a net increase in the population, and when you converted it into percentages, then it is a 1.9 percentage, and that is considered as a population growth rate. So the growth rate of the rate or the pace of the population increases is important. If this growth rate is high, then it is studied per annum generally. If this growth rate increases of 2% per annum, means in a given year, then there will be an increase of 2% per every 100 persons in that base year, and this is calculated year by year like a compound interest. It keep on adding to it. So this is referred to as annual growth rate, and India's population has been steadily increasing. So in order to, we will read about the causes of the growth of the population, Indian population, as seen from the graph in 1901, the population of India was only 238 million, but by 2011 it has increased to 1210 millions. 1210 million population India is today, and by 2030 we may even become 1500 million. So this is how the population growth has been occurring in the country. The population explosion is occurring in the country. We shall further understand the impact of this growth rate in the next class, children. Until then, take care. Thank you, children.